So this is the hiking trail for reach the tallest mountain here. So I want to climb all the way. I don't know how many hours I have to walk, but we'll see. But now I'm alone in the wood, and I try to reach the summit of this mountain. I lost the trail during few minutes, but now I'm back. I'm back on track. See, we have a small like this, so I know I'm in the right place now. But it was very confusing. And now I'm okay. Let's get going. If you are hiking, beginner, very simple. In the forest, if you're lost in the wood, if you see a river, just follow it, because there's always a trail close to a river. So you just walk, follow the river until you see a trail. That's what I did, and now I'm back on track very nicely. You cannot get lost if you do that. Now the real challenge begins. I have 4.5 kilometers climbing trail. After that, I reach the top of the mountain. Oh my god, this climb is no joke. If I'm not healthy, I'll probably have a heart attack right now. Very challenging. Non-stop climbing like this. You know, there's a lot of horror movie starting in a place like this. Nobody around, and a dangerous killer show up. I checked the map and I still have 2 kilometers of climb before reaching the top. I'm very deep in the wood right now, but it's amazing. Very nice. Almost arrived. This is very serious climbing here. I walked for hours, and finally, you see the observation tower right there. Yeah, I'm on top of the world. I reached the summit. I'm sweating. Very not easy trail, but a lot of fun here. Now I'm tired. I'm gonna eat little, and that's it. Peace.